onset of winter, sir? Because this time winter has come early. Means onset was quite early because of western disturbances and all. So is there any particular
No,
date?
no, it is not correct. That we have shown the diagram. Month of October is shown above normal temperature. Okay. So therefore it is not. If you look at Delhi, for example, it is near normal or slightly above normal temperature. It is not below normal temperature. So winter is, actually there is no such definition of winter onset. Just like rainfall onset, we say for northeast monsoon or southwest monsoon, we do not define the criteria for winter. But seasonally, winter is defined for the month of January, February, even though in many states, winter starts in December. In southern states, winter starts in November. So, but however, as for practice, long practice, January, February is considered as winter season, but there is no such criteria defined by IMD to declare onset of winter. And if you ask me temperature, as I told you, temperature is above normal in the month of October. Am I clear?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you.
Jitendra ji, okay. So, any other questions?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir. Actually, I have one query.
One
All over the Kharif season is almost. Yes, sir.
Stuti ji, boliye.
I have just a query that overall the Kharif season was very dry.
I could not follow your question, madam.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, just I have a query that overall Kharif season was very dry. So, according to the forecast of October, November, it is like it is showing normal. So, do you expect the Rabi season will be normal condition as compared to Kharif?
We do not have forecast for Rabi season. Okay, we are giving only 1 month forecast, that is for the month of November. So we don't have forecast. That seasonal forecast will come afterwards by end of November. Now we do not have the seasonal forecast. This is only the monthly forecast.
Okay.
Okay.
So I just have one question, Srishti this side.
Srishti ji.
Yeah. So the way we have seen the El Nino impact on the northwest monsoon this year, and now the northeast monsoon, like you were saying that it's usually favorable, but we saw a deficient rainfall this October. Do you see this relationship with the two monsoons changing with respect to El Nino? And second, sir, like you said, El Nino usually peaks in late December, January. So any concern, is that a concern for India in terms of temperature rise or rainfall?
Yeah, so let me clarify that it is not northwest monsoon, it is southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon and the opposite is northeast monsoon. So southwest monsoon has not been impacted by El Nino, as you have seen that it ended up with 94.4% of rainfall. And we have got also the good distribution, except some areas of eastern India. We have normal to excess rainfall activity over remaining parts of the country. And therefore sowing also has been quite good, and let us see what happens to the harvest. Now, northeast monsoon, I have shown a composite diagram. If you just remember, it will be shared. My PPT also will be shared in the media group. One diagram shows the composite rainfall activity for those years when it has been El Nino and positive IOD years, like this year. This was the El Nino year, also the positive IOD year. What happens to the rainfall in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and adjoining areas in October? There we showed clearly that in those years, in general, it shows deficient rainfall, especially in northern parts of Tamil Nadu and adjoining areas. And this year also, same has happened. Northern parts of Tamil Nadu especially has got less rainfall. And this year's Kerala and southern tip of Tamil Nadu gets good rainfall, it has got that. And accordingly, for forecast distribution of rainfall, if you just look at what we issued last year, October 31st, it showed that also the northern parts of Tamil Nadu will have deficient rainfall. So by that way, the pattern which has been seen this year over Southeast Peninsula, it agrees with the theory that positive IOD and El Nino combined leads to higher rainfall activity over Kerala and southern tip of Tamil Nadu and deficient rainfall for northern parts of Tamil Nadu. Then with respect to the second question that, yes, El Nino is picking up, what will be its impact on the temperature and rainfall, etc., during ensuing winter season? In the El Nino years, the temperature becomes warmer, and our forecast also suggests that temperature will be warmer. And that has been realized in the month of October. For November also, our forecast goes that it will be warmer. But rainfall, as you said, rainfall is highly random. As we have shown that variability is quite high, normal rainfall is quite less. Therefore, we do not have any such well-defined relationship between the rainfall over northwest India and the El Nino conditions. But there is relationship between El Nino, positive IOD, and rainfall over the southeast peninsular India. Usually it gets good rainfall activity when you have got positive IOD and El Nino in the month of November. And as the forecast goes for next 1 week, Tamil Nadu and adjoining areas will also have a good rainfall activity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So thank you. If there is no other questions or comments, we can close it. On behalf of India Meteorological
Last line में
Department, बोलिए अनुज जी, आपका कुछ है?
सर बस एक लाइन सर, अगर हम ये बता रहे हैं कि नवंबर में अब नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर है, तो एक तरह से नवंबर में कोई बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर तो रहते नहीं है, तो यानी कि प्लीजेंट मौसम रहेगा कुल मिला के.
That comfort index will be provided to you for next 5 days. Comfort index forecast also we are providing. And energy. But month-wise comfort index we do not have. We do not have any comfort index forecast for month-wise. But one point I want to reiterate, because question is again coming up. I want to say that that during the month of November, we have predicted above normal to normal rainfall activity over northwest India. That means Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Punjab, Chandigarh, Delhi, and adjoining areas of West UP. There we have given the normal to above normal rainfall activity. So accordingly, if you look at the forecast of temperature maximum, it is shown many parts normal. Because if you have a rainfall activity, the daytime temperature will not shoot up. So therefore, temperature could be normal. But night temperature, if you just look at, because it will be cloudy on some days, so average night temperature will be warmer. So what I want to say that, to make it simple, even though you can say that the temperature will be higher, that is not correct for all the regions. Northwest India and adjoining West Central India में आपका टेम्परेचर एवो नॉर्मल रहेगा कुछ हिस्सा में, और कुछ हिस्सा में यह बिलो नॉर्मल या नॉर्मल रहेगा. But night temperature will remain above normal for entire area. That is the forecast. So night temperature will be warmer. If you say that, yes, I don't know, the comfort depends on many factors, and comfort is relative to the individual person also. So therefore, I will not comment upon that. But thing is that the severity of the winter will be less in the night. Is it clear, Anurji?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
So thank you very much. I extend a deep gratitude from India Meteorological Department to all our colleagues from press and electronic media. So thank you very much for your cooperation and working together to save life and properties in the country and outside. So thank you very much. We'll meet again next month.